Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4 on your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Now, I have stock Android, and right here near to the name I have this pencil icon. On some devices this icon located at the right top, and also some Android phones have a line with the name, not this icon. So I'm going to click at this line. Maybe you need to click at this icon. Maybe you need to click at this line. And right here we can write the best one for you. So let's say I wanna remove this text and add something like this one. The most important is to click rename to save this new name. On your phone it may be done or OK or check mark or something else. Tap at that button and as you can see we just changed it, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!